Online learning has gained popularity in today's digital environment due to its affordability, convenience, and flexibility. Through online seminars and courses, an increasing number of individuals are keen to expand their knowledge, pick up new skills, and progress in their jobs. The increased demand for online learning has created a whole new revenue stream for people and companies. You may use your knowledge of a certain topic or ability to your advantage by developing and offering online seminars and courses to a large audience. With projections indicating that the worldwide market for online education would reach $350 billion by 2025, it offers a profitable avenue for generating income. We'll talk about the top 10 strategies to monetize online seminars and courses in this video. Before starting, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more future updates. So let's start. Number 1. Choose a profitable niche. Finding a lucrative specialty is the first step to generating money with online seminars and courses. Analyzing your target audience, your area of expertise, and your passion is the greatest approach to do this. It is essential that you choose a subject matter that you are both informed and enthusiastic about, while also taking the market's need into account. Analyze the prospective market for your course or workshop by looking at social media groups, internet forums, and keyword search volumes. Number 2. Create quality content. Providing learners with engaging and valuable material is essential to success in the online course market. Your writing should be aesthetically pleasing, educational, and well organized. For more engaging and dynamic learning, include a range of instructional resources into your courses, including text, graphics, audio files, and videos. Make sure your material is also easily comprehensible, especially for novice readers, and well organized. This will draw in more paying students and raise the course's perceived worth. Number 3. Price your course strategically. Pricing is one of the key elements that directly affects how well your online course does. Striking the correct balance between affordability and profitability is essential. Setting your course price too low can lessen the perceived value of the course, just as setting it too expensive would deter students from enrolling. To determine the going rate in your industry, look into and evaluate the costs of different courses. To determine what works best for you, you may also test out other price structures, such as one-time payments, subscription-based services, and packages. Number 4. Leverage on online platforms. Many websites exist that are dedicated to the creation and sale of virtual seminars and courses. These widely used platforms, like Teachable, Skillshare, Udemy, and Thinkific, offer you all the resources you need to develop, promote, and sell your courses. You may use these websites to handle transactions and avoid worrying about creating your own website since they will take care of it for you. The drawbacks of utilizing these platforms might include having to give the website a portion of your revenue and perhaps having little influence over how your course is designed. Number 5. Create your own website. The best course of action if you want greater control over your brand and courses is to build your own website. With this method, you retain all of the profits from your courses and have total creative freedom. Additionally, you may control your own pricing, advertising, and product sales in addition to offering courses on your own website. With the availability of free website building technologies such as Squarespace, Wix, and WordPress, making a website is now easier than ever. Number 6. Offer coaching services. Offering coaching services is a great method to increase the revenue from your online courses. You may start a membership program that incorporates coaching, provide group coaching, or give one-on-one coaching services. Your pupils would be prepared to pay more for the customized attention and assistance that coaching sessions provide. It may be a useful marketing tool for your upcoming courses and a terrific method to foster a sense of community among your students. Number 7. Collaborate with others. One of the best ways to expand your audience and diversify your revenue sources is to partner with other authorities and influencers in your area. Together, you may sell both of your courses as part of a package deal with someone that targets comparable customers. You may also work together to create a new course or lead a workshop for other instructors. By doing this, you may reach a wider audience, increase your revenue, and capitalize on each other's audiences. Number 8. Repurpose your content. You probably have a ton of material that you can reuse and monetize if you have been doing online workshops and courses for a while. Your blog entries, podcasts, webinars, ebooks, and social media postings may all be turned into paid courses. You can even compile your course material into a book that you can sell on Amazon.com. You may maximize your income from the same material by reaching more students by reusing it in numerous forms. Number 9. Conduct live workshops. Even though learning may be done conveniently and at your own pace with online courses, some individuals still prefer the conventional classroom setting. You may serve these people and increase the variety of sources of cash you bring in by providing live seminars. Depending on your preferences and audience, you may do live seminars at a real venue or through video conferencing services like Zoom. Number 10. Create an online course marketplace. You may start your own online course marketplace if you are well versed and experienced in your industry. This website allows users to access a range of courses in one location by hosting courses made by various specialists in various subjects. It may be beneficial for you and other course designers since you can charge a commission for each course that is sold on your site. Conclusion. Online seminars and courses may be used to generate income in a variety of ways, and there is a lot of room for success. As online platforms become more widely available and virtual learning becomes more popular, people and companies may now use their knowledge and experience to create lucrative projects. Starting an online workshop or course may be a rewarding and successful endeavor. Regardless of your background, you might be an accomplished professional, an enthusiastic hobbyist, or a business trying to expand your revenue sources. You have the capacity to make a significant difference in the lives of others by sharing your important knowledge and talents with a worldwide audience. When starting this journey, there are a lot of important things to think about, from selecting the best subject and platform to marketing and promoting your course. It is crucial to put in the time and energy necessary to produce high-quality material and provide your pupils an enriching educational experience. This is it for today's video. What do you think of our video? Comment below with your thoughts and let us know. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more future updates. Thanks for watching.